Leaf, Linking Environmental Farming, it formed in 1991, and kind of the motto for it is to deliver more sustainable food and farming. So that's not necessarily just looking at the environment, but it's also looking at obviously the farm income, so making that more resilient, and also looking at the social impacts, so getting the local community involved with farming. And we do that through our Open Farm Sunday approach. So these are the statistics for 2017. So we had over 272,700 visitors. It was 358 farm sites out by 100. And since 2006, we've had over 2 million visitors onto farm. We also have Open Farm School Days. So this one's a little less known. This means that I think it's a week or two, there'll be a bunch of farmers that open that allows schools to go out and visit on farm. We also have Speak Out training. So we provide a service called Speak Out alongside a company called Green Shoot. And this provides farmers with the tools and approaches needed to kind of talk about what happens on farm with confidence, whether that be to another farmer or to the general public, because farmers are so passionate about what they do, but sometimes they lack the confidence or they feel they don't have the tools to actually go out and speak about what they do on farm effectively. We've got the Leaf Network, so I work quite a bit on this as well. So these are Leaf demonstration farms and Leaf innovation centres. So we've got 35 farms in England and Wales. They are demonstration farms, so they're very much demonstration farms for other farmers to go on to, but they do open for other kind of interested stakeholders, so politicians, students, researchers and the public. But it is very much more farmer focused, so it means that farmers can go out, see some innovations and be like, oh, maybe I could use that on my farm. Our primary goal is to kind of disseminate the results of these projects to the farmers, because sometimes there's a little bit of a disconnect between research and the farming community. So our goal is to try and get some of that research into farmer-friendly materials that they can actually use on the farm. It's about using a combination of the technology and also the historical kind of practices that we use pre-pesticide, pre-massive tractor revolution, because they were really great practices and you can kind of see through historical data that they worked. So it's being able to use kind of a combination between the historical practices and the modern practices to try and build that sustainability on farm.